Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am show how to fix YouTube playback speed not working problem. Okay, let's start. At first go to YouTube. Click on settings. Click on playback speed. Now I will show how to fix it. Okay, now back. At first go to settings. Now scroll down. Click on apps. Click on search bar. Search YouTube. Scroll down. Click on storage. Click on clear cache. Now back. Click on permissions. Enable all permissions. Then back. Now click on Play Store and check update your YouTube. Search YouTube. My YouTube is already updated. Now open it. Now click on settings. Then click on playback speed. Now you can see your problem has been solved. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.